Merry Christmas. This is our setup here. This area is the Xbox Connect, with plenty of space. So you can play, run around, and do the thing. Downstairs is where we have the rest of the setup. Working hard. Christmas tree. Xbox set up, ready to go. Getting all the cookies out, everything for our Chipotle dinner. There's our full set of bar here.
I need 30 of these. Exactly.
It's our elves.